Okay, now I want you to speculate. Why were they late? What could have happened?
Um, they might have gotten too tied up in traffic, or in this for the picture maybe might have uh, found a space in the station.
Okay, that's a parking space. That's what you call it, parking space.
In the parking space.
Okay, but they might have found, or they, you need to use the negative there.
Might not have.
Yes, that's right. Let me type the sentence. So, oops. Okay, they might not. What else?
Might not have had.
What verb do you need? You use the verb correctly in the previous sentence. The past participle of find.
I found.
Uh-huh. Yes. Okay, now can you read the complete sentence?
They might not have found a parking space.
Yeah, that's one guess. Can you make another guess? So this is the situation. Can you read it?
A man and woman suddenly get married. They have only known each other for 6 weeks. They don't invite anyone to the wedding. They must have fallen madly in love.
So that's my guess. They suddenly get married. They've just met. They must have fallen madly in love. What do you think?